So guys, there are so many controversies about this topic. I mean, Gear Force Snakeman versus Bounceman. So today let me clear the controversy. I will compare them with three factors: strength, speed and durability, which I will give 10 points for strength and speed. For durability, I will give 5 points, which I will make 4 times so we can get a clear glance. Generally, the score will be out of 100. So without wasting time, let's start after my intro. Guys, first is strength. I will pick a clear winner here, that is Bounceman, because it has highest offensive attack than Snakeman, that is King Kong Gun. It knocked out Doflamingo, which is a great feat. Not to say Snakeman offensive power is also very high because it knocked out Katakuri in nearly 20 punches. But here the winner is Bounceman. I will give 8 points for Snakeman and 10 points for Bounceman out of 10 points. Next is speed. Here it becomes reverse. The clear winner of this round is Snakeman. This is the reason Luffy used it to counter Katakuri. It even countered future sight of Katakuri, which is very great thing. I don't underestimate Bounceman, which easily escaped all attacks from Doflamingo. But Snakeman is very fast. I will give here 8 points for Bounceman and 10 points for Snakeman out of 10 points. Now they are on equal level. Let's see the final round, that is durability. I will say Bounceman is more durable than Snakeman easily because Bounceman has advantage, that is being more like balloon. So I will give 4 points for Snakeman and 5 points for Bounceman out of 5 points. In total we have 22 points for Snakeman and 23 points for Bounceman out of 25 points. Yes, I too believe Bounceman is stronger compared to Snakeman. But there is a condition: you need Snakeman in battles with long ranged fighters. In that condition, Bounceman is useless. But if you are fighting close combat or little slow characters, Bounceman win. Guys, let me remember, I have an example. When Luffy was fighting Kaido for the first time, he used Bounceman rather than Snakeman. And while he was fighting Kaido from Momo, he used Snakeman in recent chapter. He used Snakeman while he was on Momo because he was little far from Kaido. In first case, he was fighting head-on with Kaido. So I will give the video conclusion as it depends on battle conditions. Both are required. If there is no Snakeman, Luffy could not have won against Katakuri, and without Bounceman, Luffy would have not won against Doflamingo. But if you keep Bounceman vs Snakeman head-on, in my opinion, Bounceman wins. I have been uploading videos late due to some issues, but I will try to upload at least one for 2 days from now on. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I hope all your doubts are cleared about this endless gag. If you liked this video, fastly make 10 subscribers. See you guys in next video. Sayonara.